as the women and the youth of this party.
Deputy President William Ruto's daughter, June Ruto, is now spoken for. This afternoon, she tied the knot at a private ceremony that was hosted by her parents and attended by about 500 guests. The wedding that was held at a private residence in Karen was graced by guests from both the bride and groom's family, as well as politicians including ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi, Uasin Gishu County Governor Jackson Mandago, Meru County Senator Mithika Linturi, amongst others. And of course, we have a little bit of those details next. Kenyans on social media as well, taking to social media, tweeting and wishing the couple marital bliss. Some of the images from that wedding. We are taking a short break here on Crossfire. When we return, the business news. But remember, later on, it is Crossfire Thursday. My guests are ready and on standby. We have Gatundu South Member of Parliament Moses Kuria, Professor Peter Kagwanja, who's a political strategist. They are in studio with me. We'll also be joined by the Kieni